Our environments may shape us, but they don't define us. For Marcus, music is an escape, a way to drown out the chaos at home. Temptation is always around the corner, but Marcus knows he has a choice. Project Eden offers a safe haven, a place to find support and understanding. Here, Marcus has a community that understands his struggles and helps him navigate his challenges. Education is key. Understanding the risks associated with substance use empowers us to make informed decisions. Project Eden also provides support for families, helping to rebuild relationships and create a healthy home environment. Finding healthy alternatives to stress and engaging in fun, positive activities can divert us from high-risk behaviors. With the right support and resources, all of us can overcome life's challenges and achieve our potential. If you'd like to learn more about Horizon Services Project Eden, please visit our website at horizonservices.org.